Hello, I'm going to make this real quick video to tell you guys that you need to check this website right here. It's called adapools.org, and it's really important. You just need to make sure that your pool is actually paying you. So to give you kind of a background view on what happened 2 weeks ago when the Stake Pools network came out, half the network forked, so a lot of stake pools were having issues, and that it was none of their faults, but now there's fixes out for this, and everyone's pool should be working most of the time now. And but some people's pools still aren't working. Like I saw, even some Emergo pools are actually not working, and that's what I wanted to show you guys today. Is just to check to see if your guys' pool's working. So you want to come to this website right here, adapools.org, and once you're here, you just want to scroll down and look. So there's a couple stats you want to check. So you can check the pool size. Obviously, if it's over 1%, your pool is over 1%, then you want to go to another pool immediately. So you want to look at staker's reward. You want to make sure there's at least a number there, especially if it's a big pool. It needs to be a high number, but if it's a small pool, it can be a lower number. And you also want to look at the last epoch number. So 16's last epoch. To check the epoch, you can go to this website right here. It's called Shelly Cardano Explorer, and it'll say the epoch number right here. But you want to check that last epoch number, because if it's before this number, like a few before, like for example, we'll look at like 0, for example. Like that's, and these are Emergo's pools, and what's crazy is that like they're taking a 5% fee, so 70 million ADA is staked to this pool. And out of these people that have the 7 million or 70 million, this could be Emergo. They haven't fixed their pool yet. So the epoch number right here, this is the last block, the last epoch that a block was finished. So yeah, and to me that's crazy that even Emergo hasn't fixed this yet. And there's an unavailable pool right here. This might be a private pool, but they still should be at least paying themselves. So let's see if we can scroll down and find another one. Yeah, like so you can see 11 right here. That's a pretty long time. And so you also want to check to so I explained this in my last video. Each epoch lasts about a day. So if, for example, 15 is not too bad. Your pool can actually miss an epoch and not get a block in an epoch, so then it won't pay the delegates. The delegates are still going to make the same amount of money, but because they're a smaller pool, it's fine, because they're going to get more rewards from the one epoch if it's every other to pay out for the last one. So if it does say 15 or even maybe 14, that's why there's this green check mark right here. That'll be fine. But yeah, I want to make this video for you guys because it is very important. If you guys are looking for a stake pool, you guys can always join my pool. It's Pay ADA. I can scroll down to it real quick. I think it's number 200. But as you can see right here, we're a smaller pool. So, like for example, the epoch's 15, but we actually just got to block this epoch. So when you guys watch this video, it probably should say the 16th epoch was our last one. But we got 5% fees, and then as you can see, the last epoch's fine. We're paying our delegators ADA. We have a 5% fee. So yeah, but as we scroll through here, I mean, there's a lot of pools above and below us, but 0, 0, 11, 12, 0, 0, 13, 0, 0, 0. This is really important if you guys want to make rewards on your ADA. You do have to check this, at least for now, because I have to do constant upkeep of my stake pool to make sure everything's running correctly. I have to see when the blocks are scheduled to make sure I'm online, the stake pool's online. I have to have everything set up and perfect for this, and some people just don't have time. Some people don't know how to fix it yet. So yeah, like I said, just check for these numbers. Check to make sure your pool isn't taking too many fees. But yeah, that's just a quick video. If you guys have any questions or concerns about anything, or questions about my stake pool, about your stake pool, or anything about the network, feel free to comment down below. I just wanted to make a quick video kind of explaining this. But yep, I hope you guys have a good day. Goodbye.